Alright people, welcome back in my channel. My channel is aceh.espesially. Alright, this night I'm a plant none because this is very totally awesome very place here. We call it Barbatee Cafe here. I don't know top none, but not top none here. We call it Barbatee. This is very totally awesome. Drinking here, and then a lot of people here, enjoys the normal and beautiful view here. Very totally awesome. I myself with my brother here, his name is Jamal here. He has that I like drink coffee. I'll meet here. Then drink coffee here. Very awesome. Do you know about Starbucks from United States here in Aceh? It's real fine. Very easy to get Starbucks. Exactly that coffee from originally, or that the product from Aceh exactly, not from Sumatra. We call it Gayo. I myself until now, as tourist guy, I have invited a lot of tourists to get Aceh. After now, it's just too difficult for simultaneous time. Hit by COVID-19 here. But a lot of tourists couldn't, visiting Aceh exactly. Malaysia, worldwide had a pandemic hit. But don't worry about that. After the pandemic end, the coronavirus end, don't forget visiting Aceh because I want to tell you about the traditional host. Can you imagine that? This is very truly famous. We call that Aceh house. You know what? Aceh house almost you couldn't find this house like this, like cafe here. But it's totally awesome, very totally beautiful, and then the windy here inside and outside. You know what? And then you call warm inside. You know what? It's very totally awesome here. When you got something problem in your mind, you got something problem with your life, your family here, you're not enjoy here, you worry about that. You worry about that. My friend got cold here, but it's very totally awesome. Alright? Don't forget subscribe YouTube channel because as a YouTuber in Aceh exactly I have to promoting that my culture and then coffee and the restaurant and then like a culinary and then tourism. It's very totally all involved a lot of tourists together Aceh. Alright, for now. Don't forget to like subscribe my YouTube channel because this YouTube channel can make you happy and then can make you enjoying see everything about Aceh. Alright, for now.